You don't need to pay for a financial advisor or expensive app. These 5 free tools do 90% of the work. Number 1, in-app free alternative, every dollar. Zero-based budgeting without the subscription. Free version handles most people's needs. Syncs with your actual spending. Number 2, Credit Karma. Free credit score, no credit card required. Monitors for identity theft. Shows what's dragging your score down. Number 3, Google Sheets Budget Template. Search Google Sheets Budget Template, hundreds are free. Fully customizable, syncs everywhere. No app to download or account to create. Number 4, your bank's built-in tools. Most banks have free spending categorization. Check the app, it's already tracking you. Set up balance alerts so you're never surprised. Number 5, a printable budget tracker. Paper works when apps don't, no battery, no login. Writing by hand improves financial awareness. Takes 10 minutes a month and costs nothing. Download our free printable budget tracker, no app, no subscription, just works, link in description. New tips Monday, Wednesday, Friday.